Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creating a captivating front yard garden through landscaping ideas can transform the exterior of a home into a stunning and inviting space. The possibilities are endless, offering a range of design options to suit various tastes and preferences. A key consideration is to strike a balance between aesthetic appeal and practicality, incorporating a mix of colorful blurs, lush greenery, and well manicured shrubs can bring life and vibrancy to the front yard. Introducing a pathway lined with decorative stones or stepping stone can lead visitors through the garden magical touch, illuminating the garden during evening hours and creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, incorporating eco-friendly features such as rainwater harvesting system or native plant selections can contribute to sustainability efforts by carefully curating a front yard garden with creative landscaping ideas. Homeowners can enhance their curb appeal, making a lasting impression on guests and passengers by alike while enjoying their own personal oasis. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.